What's up YouTube? This is gonna be an unboxing of some 360 games I got off eBay. There's 4 games here, and I paid $30 for them with free shipping. So let's open this, and it's kinda gonna suck for filming with one hand. So hold up. Alright. And shoot, hope I didn't cut anything. Alright, we're good. My bad. Alright. So bubble wrap. Alright, first game is Dark Souls, and it's complete, and the disc should be pretty good. Yeah, this disc is pretty good. Should play, or yeah, it should play. It's good condition disc. Alright, next, Lost Odyssey. Pretty sure this game is on 4 discs. No, it's 3. No, it is 4 discs. All the discs are pretty nice, just like, I don't know, checking them and stuff. And all these games should be complete, because that's what it said in the listing. And I've ordered a few more games off eBay, so I should be doing more unboxings. And like and comment and subscribe and stuff. So yeah. Alright. This filming probably sucks. I'm not even looking at the camera at all. This game, El Should Die Ascension of the Metatron. This is probably like the worst game. And I mean, I don't know if it's like a bad game. I've heard it's alright, but it's like the least expensive one. All the other ones sell for $15 at GameStop. I'm not gonna check the disc. It's kind of takes a while. So yeah, I kind of just base my prices off GameStop, because that's where I would be getting them from if I didn't get them off eBay. So if I'm saving money from buying them online, then I'll usually buy them if they're games I want or I can resell. Finally, Deadly Premonition. I kind of wanted to get this game on PS3 because there's like the director's cut, which is exclusive to PS3, but that's still like $40. So, and I kind of prefer playing on 360 anyway. And it's complete. This is a very thick manual. I'm just noticing that. Disc. And there is a small crack. You probably can't see that. It's fine. The disc itself is pretty good. So yeah, just some more games to add to the collection and stuff. So yeah, yeah, subscribe and stuff if you like this video. I want to see more unboxings like this. So peace out.